This is a story of Charlotte's Web, written by E.B. White. The story starts with a little girl named Fern, who lives on a farm with their family where together they raise pigs. However, the new family of pigs that they're currently raising has one that is smaller than the rest. Instead of getting rid of it, she begs her father to let her keep it. He reluctantly agrees. She chooses to name her pig Wilbur. She raises Wilbur for a month, treating him like a pet and making sure he is well fed and kept warm. However, after the month goes by, he is no longer the small pig he used to be. Her father agrees to sell poor Wilbur to their uncle, where he eventually will move to the barn. Once he moves to within his new barn, he meets a barn spider named Charlotte, whose web is in a doorway overlooking Wilbur's new home, and a rat named Templeton, who's there really just to keep him company. However, the three of them become very close friends when they find out that Wilbur will be sent to the slaughter. And in order to keep Wilbur within their friendship, they hatch a plan to get him famous. They figure if he's famous, he can't be sent to the slaughterhouse. And so, Charlotte decides to write different words in her web, making him a famous tourist attraction. These words lead to him being well-fed, raised, and so far a long life. The uncle who owns the farm decides to enter Wilbur in the county fair. Here, he will be weighed and judged against all other types of pigs from all other types of farms. He has to win all the categories in order to win the blue ribbon, and he hopes and prays he will, as does Fern and her family, who come to visit poor little Wilbur. However, at the county fair, Charlotte becomes very sick. They don't know why, but she ends up still helping Wilbur. Although he does not end up winning the blue ribbon, he still gets a special prize for being the creative pig who has the words written in a web. But with Charlotte sick, we don't know what's going to happen. So what happens next, you might ask? I would suggest picking up Charlotte's Web at your local library to find out the rest.